There you go, see that? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So I don't want to do this, but I'm kind of like want to do this. I don't want to get into that knockoff lure coming from China, but at some point I was like, I think this is what I'm looking for, you know what I mean? So what did I do is, you probably see this from the thumbnail. So what this is lure is, this is copy paste the DRT class. So the DRT, I don't know what is DRT stand for. So DRT are company from Japan who make the lure just look like this. They have the bigger one and they have the smallest one. Why this lure are so interesting to try it? Because one of this lure, if you buy the original one of this lure, they can do multiple of action. So they come with a tail, of course, and then they come with the lips. See that? So if you move the tail, you see the tail kind of like curved like this, right? If you move this up and then put the lips, or without the lips, they're gonna give you totally different action. So this lure are so interesting. So but when I do research about the DRT class, they have the class 9, which is 9 inches, and then they have the tiny class. Something was like, okay, I think I'm gonna get the tiny class. But I do more research about that lure. They are a little bit bigger, I can say that. I think an inch bigger than this. So if you compare this to Mac Drab, see, this is way shorter. No, you can see it. There you go. This is way shorter. So I was looking this. This is the one that they have was like bigger, like 6.6 inches, and weighed about 2 ounces. That's probably not for everybody. I do have the setup, the lure rating from ½ ounce to 2 ounce. I think I can use that, but I don't want to use that. And the size is bigger, way heavier. But with this one, smaller, and they give you everything just like the DRT that you can imagine of. Give me a second. See, come with 2 lips, 2 extra lips that you can put here. How about that? They give you 2 extra tail. See that? And they give you 2 different tail again. You can switch. So pay this around $6. What do you think? It was like, they look like the original. The paint job is not that bad. Not like the original. I know the original just look way better, way sharper, you know what I mean? And then the action, probably not 100% just like the original one, but you know, hopefully this is just do what they claiming to do. The hook are good. It's like whenever I got this in my hand, I was like, I don't wanna make video about this, but at the same time, it's like, I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna share it, you know what I mean? So I'm back behind me, the creek that I love to fish. It's a slow moving water, and I'm probably only gonna 2 of this action. First the crank mode that I use the lip, and then this tail supposed to be up. Let me show you. This is the crank mode of the original. Hopefully this is do the same. And if I flip this back again, put this down and take off the lip, She's gonna give me the glide mode. But look at how crazy. Look at how much the tail turn. This is gonna be good for chop chop. So I'm probably gonna use 2 of those section. But yeah, let's see it. I don't wanna do this. Whatever. Right? Don't judge me. Put a comment down below. What do you think about knockoff lure like this? Right? So just gonna share it. You know where I got this, AliExpress. Go ahead and go over there. So yeah, enjoy the action. Alright, I forgot to mention that I'm not just use this one right here today, but I got me another setup on my BFS. So carry 2 in case this doesn't catch a fish, the other one catch a fish, maybe, who knows. So yeah, hopefully they'll catch a fish on this. Just one sounds good enough. Oh, there is a dog right there, bunch of them. So I think people been here, they've been fishing. All right, what I can tell you, the water a little bit high. Nah, not really. It used to be. You see the line here, the red line here, probably used to that high. So this is the glide mode. They do the chop 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 thing though. Not bad. I was thinking I'm probably not gonna use this mode today. Probably gonna use the crank mode. All right. Let's do some crank mode. Where is the lip? Okay, this right here, 1 lip. So like I said earlier, put the lip. See, the hook are so sticky. It's good. And this is what they look like. Last set, and hopefully I don't get a snag on this right now. See, just have a good action. It's small bass right there. Oh wow, that was bad. See, this has a great action. I like the crank mode. Surprisingly, there is no fish here right now. Oh, where is the fish at? Alright, I'm gonna try the small crankbait. I got a small crankbait on my BFS. Just do a couple casts before we move, okay? Golly. There you go. That was bad first cast. So this is tiny square bill. All right. Oh. All right. Remove. Think there is now fish here. Or I don't know how to catch them. It's hard, man. Ooh. Oh, you got follower. You got follower here. Finally this one got follower. I don't see any fish earlier. Golly. They're small though. There is a fish right here. They are not big, but they're hungry. See? Golly, what are you doing, dude? Oh my God. You stay. I got my net, guys. No worries. Finally catch a fish on this. He's not big at all. He just smoked this. Let me do this real quick. You stay, buddy. There you go. He's not big at all compared to this. I gotta think a lot. Hold on. See? Golly, he's so angry. I told you that I got the followers. Oh my God. There you go. Thanks, buddy. Alright. That's the first fish of the day. The first fish. I almost like, I'm not gonna try this anymore. I know there was 2 fish earlier today that are following it. I think that I just give a fast little bit and then that fish was just like, I'm gonna take those. So we got one. Surprise, surprise. That surprised me. Not that big fish. See, there is a fish right there. It was like pum, pum, pum. They're trying. Finally. Maybe I can catch this fish later with other lure, with my finesse one. They are not that big. I don't want to waste my time here. But also, you know, let's try. Let's give them a couple of casts. There you go. See that? We got one. Oh, here's a good one. Oh, finally. Oh, he is big and he is look good. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go. Yes, sir. Whew. Finally, we got a mother here. Let me put this back down here. He's about 2-pounder, maybe 2.5. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a nice one so far. Then take picture of him. Put him back here. You don't jump. Please don't jump. Alright. I'm done with the picture. Thank you, buddy. He is good looking fish. To the right, to the right, to the right. There's where you belong. Ah. That was good. That was good. We got one, a big. And that's not good. I have to go over there now and take this. God darn it. So I got to move now since I just spooked the fish right there, I believe. Got snag over there. So yeah, seems okay. Getting up a little bit. The lips good, strong, not bad. Ooh, we got a follower right there. He's a small guy though. Ah, shoot. That was bad. Oop. Do I lose the lip? I bet I am. Yeah, I lose the lip. I'm glad I have one more here. I'm glad they're giving me an extra. There you go. I don't feel bad whenever I lose this lip. Man, it's cheap lure. Knockoff too. But it's catch a fish. How about that? Ooh, there's a fish right there. You see that fish jump? Ooh, he's big. He's big. You stay, buddy. Oh no, he's not that big. Hold on, you stay closer, closer. There you go. Yes, sir. There it is. Yes, sir. I brought an early size though. It's not bad. Thanks, buddy. Hey, thank you. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Now I'm hoping that there is another one right here. Nope, of course not. This creek always like that. Yep, Let's get me snagged. Ooh, I got a fish. It was far. He missed it. Oh no, no, no. He's still here. He's still here. Oh my god. I thought I was missing. He's not big. Good size though. Got hook everywhere. There it is. Tiny little guy. Thank you, buddy. Okay then. I was like doing long casts. I thought I missed him, but he just swam towards me. Alright, what an amazing day. So we catch a couple of fish, chill. I spent like 3 hours fishing. We catch a couple of fish. I think 3 of them are nice. 2 of them are nice, good size. So yeah guys. No, you can't see it. You can see it like this. There you go. So there is the lure here. I lose one of the lips. And then what again? It seems this is whole everything pretty good though. So $6. Yeah, should you buy these? Get the original in my opinion. It's up to you. I mean, it's a good size. You will catch any kind of fish, like any size of fish with this. So yeah, there it is right here. You can see it. So yeah guys, that's all about today. So yeah, been a lot of going on to catch a fish. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next one. Ciao.